Okay, first question, darating ho ba ang pangalawang Pangulo?
I think naglabas na po ng statement ang ating Vice Presidente, no, that she has chosen to appear by counsel today in accordance with the impeachment rules. Karapatan naman po niya yun that her appearance be made through counsel. So, sa ngayon po, masabi natin na hindi na siya mag-attend today. She's here through counsel.
Attorney, sinasabi ng prosecution team na ang hindi raw pagdalo ni Vice President Duterte ay para pag-iwas daw sa kanyang responsibilidad sa bayan. What's your take po doon?
Hindi naman po. Unang-una sa lahat, parang kung sinasabi, yung pagharap niya sa kaso ay ginagawa na sa kasalukuyan. Kaya nga matagal na siyang nag-form ng isang defense team dahil alam niyang hahantok tayo sa ganito. At kaya naman kami, mga abogado niya ay nandito para talagang identigate itong kaso at sagutin at patunayan na wala pong basihan yung mga paratang laban sa kanya. Pangalawa, actually ang mandato po niya bilang Vice Presidente magtrabaho para sa bayan at yun nga po yung ginagawa niya. In fact, I just spoke to her a few minutes ago. She's actually in a planning session, no, with members of the OVP to prepare for Super Typhoon Bobby. So yun ang ginagawa niya sa kanila.
Sir, how are you confident po na mag-grant po yung motion to dismiss ng Cold Pass?
Sa amin naman, nilalatag lang namin yung aming mga argumento. Now, we leave it up to the wisdom, of course, of the impeachment court. And however way it goes, we will always respect the decision of the impeachment court. At kami naman, we're ready. Sabi ko nga, sakaling hindi mapagbigyan yung motion, ready naman kami to go through the full length of trial.
Sir, how do you reconcile her decision not to appear today from her earlier pronouncements that she is ready and she wants a blood bath?
Well, she is ready, and that's why we're here today. We've been preparing for how many, actually more than a year na now, no? So I don't think there's anything to reconcile there. I don't think there's any conflict with that.
Does this mean that she will not attend the succeeding hearings? Or
No,
will
we're not saying anything right now. As I've always mentioned, ang kanyang physical presence, we will assess kung kinakailangan, bakit hindi. But that will depend on how the proceedings go, and we will advise her accordingly.
Sir, what circumstance would trigger the Vice President na humarap po talaga?
We will not say so at this time. No, that's part of legal strategy, and as you know, I hope you can respect us that the defense will never disclose its legal strategy for obvious reasons.